Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to receive USDT on Binance. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. Then once you're in here, go ahead and find assets or your wallet, okay? So in here, what we're going to do, since we are going to receive USDT, okay, so you can go ahead over to overview, find your spot, whatever you want. And then since again, we are receiving, so what we're going to do is just go ahead and tap on add funds, okay? Tap on add funds, now tap on on-chain deposits since we are trying to receive from another crypto wallet. So on-chain deposit, tap on it and just go ahead and find USDT. If you can't find USDT, well, just go ahead and use the search bar, okay? Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and select the network. For example, I'm going to go ahead and use Tron TRC20, okay? Right here, TRX. So here we have the deposit address. So what you got to do is just go ahead and tap on, copy right here. And then once done, go ahead and open up the other crypto wallet, okay? Let's say I have here BitGet. I'm going to tap on BitGet, wait for it to fully load. And then once that loads, go ahead over to your wallet. Now go ahead and find USDT, of course. Now tap on transfer or send. It could be sent on other crypto wallet. So it says here, enter receiving wallet address. So since we have already copied our wallet address, or deposit address. So just tap and hold and paste that in here. So why do we get an error? Because again, keep in mind about the network. Okay, we have selected Tron TRC20 and the ones that we have clicked right here or selected is Ethereum. So in here under our wallet, okay, or other wallet, we're going to find Tron or TRX. Okay. You can select USDT right here, but just make sure that the network is the same. All right, so let's go to find Tron. Tap on it. Now tap on transfer. Tap and hold on the receiving address. Paste that in here and just hit on next. Now go ahead and enter the amount of Tron that you would like to send to Binance. For example, $50. And then once that's done, just tap on send right here, follow simple prompts. And after that, just wait a bit for the amount to reflect to your Binance wallet. Okay, and that is it. That's how simple it is to receive USDT on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.